This is a 2012 Chevrolet Avalanche 1500. This truck has a 6-speed automatic transmission, a 5.3-liter V8, and the added capability of 4-wheel drive. All of the following features are included: a heated steering wheel, heated seats, a navigation system, traction control and stability control systems, Bluetooth cell phone integration, a parking camera, front fog lights, an anti-lock braking system, memory settings for the seat's positions so you can recall your favorite alignment with the push of one button. And this vehicle has less than 12,000 miles. Stop by today and test drive this automobile for yourself.
Don Johnson Motors is located at 734 West Avenue in Rice Lake. Our goal is to exceed all of your expectations to ensure that you'll return for future visits.